Hey guys, this is a new series. It's called Pete the Kitty. It's Pete the cat, but when he was a little kitty. It's Pete the cat, Pete the kitty, and the case of the hiccups. Let's find out what Pete was like when he was a little bitty kitty guy. Hiccup! Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? My daughter gets hiccups, guess what? Whenever she laughs. If she laughs long enough, she gets the hiccups. Do you guys get the hiccups like that? Pete asked Grumpy Toad, "How do I stop the hiccups?" "I know," says Grumpy Toad. "You stand on one foot." You think that'll work? Pete stands on one foot. He'll stop his hiccups. Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup! Pete still has the hiccups. I guess that didn't work. Let's see. What else can we do? Pete asked Callie, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Callie. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down." Oh, so all he did was stand on one foot last time. Maybe hopping up and down, hopping up and down will help him get rid of hiccups. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Guess that didn't work. Let's see. Pete asks Gus, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Gus. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song." Maybe that's what happened. Maybe he forgot to sing the song. Let's see. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Oh, this is terrible. Pete asked Bob, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Bob. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly," says Bob. Pete does it. Maybe it stopped his hiccups. Let's see. Hiccup! Oh, nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. "Go ask Mom," says Bob. Pete asks Mom, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Let's see what happens. "Hold your breath and blow it out," says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. "That's it," Pete says. "That's it," says Mom. Pete waits and waits and he waits. I don't know if he thinks this is going to work, but the hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. That was Pete the kitty and the case of the hiccups. And we learned the lesson, right? That moms are so smart. I hope you guys enjoyed this story today, and I'll see you next time.